What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for tuning back into the channel. Today's Saturday. It's about 12:30. I got a no heat call to go on, and today's a glorious day. I was hoping I didn't get anything, but I got a call, and I think it's an old Bryant. Let's go see what's going on with it. Stay tuned. Morning.
Morning.
Afternoon now. So, got a bad igniter on. Right. Oh yeah. I see the let's see here. Let me see. Bad spot right there, so we need that end. All right. Doggy wants a piece of me. Igniter drawer. Now we just gotta find which one it is. I think it's that one. There's two different styles. Yeah, it's that one. It's got that end, or we got that end. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the vacuum and all that stuff on here. What's up with this weather? It's nice today.
Yeah.
Yeah,
well, the sun is.
Yeah, we were what, 4 days into spring, and it's got a blizzard yesterday, and Doggy doesn't sound like it likes company, does it? This one out before we put it in, make sure. Okay, we're good. Related to Brian Clark?
No.
Well, Clark's kind of like Jones. It's a pretty common name.
No, my brother's Jeremy. I don't know if he fixed his furnace or not.
Jeremy,
On Riverside Parkway.
Oh, okay.
That's where I got the card from.
Gotcha. Okay. He's on the end of Yellow House?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, after we had the wrong guy working on it.
The round guy?
The wrong guy.
Oh, wrong guy. Yeah. Yeah. That's the same one that put this furnace in. Yeah, it happens. Okay. So. Yeah, by all means, I'm not perfect, but I've been around the block a few times. I mean, I still make mistakes from time to time.
Well, I was asking him, I said, how come every time they work on it, it keeps getting worse?
I think before I put that in, I'm going to kind of look at that, make sure. Let's see here. Do we have another light in there? This furnace is from it's upside down, but I think date of manufacture 2004. So I may want to do a combustion check on this, make sure we're good. Oh, let's see, where am I at? Oh. Slide this in. Phew, that was a little touch and go for a minute. Okay, pull that sensor out. Oh. They don't make that easy to get into. I guess I can probably clean that while it's in there. Yeah, GPS took me to your neighbor's driveway. I'm like, well, this doesn't look like the right place.
Over here?
No, over here.
Oh.
So it said to go off East Hamilton. You said to go to the back door. I'm like, well, this doesn't even look like the right place. So I ended up going around and I seen your address on the mailbox.
The weird thing is, the FedEx driver always drops my packages on the neighbor over here.
Oh, really?
I go, my address is right out front.
Yeah, when I pulled it off, it was, like, this isn't even that right place. So I'm even the vacuum, and then I'll grab my combustion analyzer and.
What's that do?
This?
No, your combustion.
Oh, that it kind of looks inside the furnace to make sure it's burning properly.
Okay.
Make sure we don't have any issues with the heat exchanger. It's just a safety precaution, especially if the furnace is older. Got 2 bars. I'm not going to bore you with all this. It's a little better. Alright, so let me go and grab that. Oh. Man, it's nice out. It's about time we had some sunshine. Past couple days have been cloudy, and yesterday was snowy all day. It's nice. So I'm gonna grab my combustion analyzer. So just picked this up. I found this off Mikey Pipes. Got this off it's a discount store. I think these are around 150 bucks. I got it for like $75. It's a shaft blaster. Cuts your shaft off on your blower motor, so I'm kind of excited to use that someday. Oh. So, grab some tape. Actually, I'll just use the high temperature silicone. See what size that's got to be. Just a little bit bigger. There. Thermostat turned on.
I've turned it up.
looking good, so.
Yeah. Right on target, huh?
Yeah, pretty much. Yep, numbers are looking good, so I think we're this 20-year-old furnace made it another day, so about 15 to 18 years is about the life expectancy, so we are on the tail end of it.
Yeah. Induction motor, I think.
Yeah. So we are good. Those burners have kind of settled down a little bit because I cleaned those out. That second one there, I don't think I really cleaned that one, so that's why I have blue. Right. No. We are good. When's the last time you checked your air filter?
It's been changed a couple weeks ago.
Okay. Yep, numbers look good. This one lives another day. You have the door, do you? Alright. Never really cared for these style furnaces. You're always afraid you're going to touch something and I'm sure being on a slab probably makes it. I'm sure some rooms are uneven, aren't they?
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for watching that video. As you've seen, it was a bad igniter. Didn't talk too much because he was standing right behind my back, but it's no big deal. I'm getting used to that. So yeah, the reason why those flames were burning yellow is because I vacuumed everything off and I used a brush and I stirred up a lot of dust. And that one burner wasn't really burning dirty because I don't think I hit that one. I should have, but I didn't. But it'll be just fine. So yeah, we'll see you on the next video. If you have any questions, whatever, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll be more than glad to answer them.